Good morning, it's Hiker Dude Dad, and I'm back here at Millport Conservancy. I'm at the second part though. Shortly after I visited the first part, you can watch that video here, I discovered that there was a second part north of the main part. So let's go check it out. A lot of road noise right here on Warwick Road, but look at this beautiful pond. It's half covered in algae. So from the parking lot, you follow the sign for the nature trail. And here we are walking along this kind of a long north-south pond. But then the nature trail is right between the pond and Liddit's Run. Yes, this is Liddit's Run, not Landis Run like I called it my entire last video. But here is beautiful Liddit's Run, or Liddit's Run originates up in Lidditz at the springs, at Lidditz Springs Park. And it's still flowing all the way down here. Still some flowers even here in late November. It's Thanksgiving week. I'm not going to go down to Liddit's Run here. See some tubes here. Looks like they're replanting this area, adding some trees. Liddit's Run is absolutely beautiful though. Check that out. This is nice when the traffic stops a little bit on Warwick Road. You can hear all kinds of birds. It's chirping, taking off. Up on the bank here, I unknowingly startled a deer and it took off up there. So each time I've been here, both sections, I've seen a deer right at the beginning of the hike. This is amazing. Just love this little raised nature trail in between the pond and Liddit's Run. Like a little boathouse here. We heart Millport. Look at the moss up on top of this thing. It's awesome. steps here to make our first climb. Everything so far was flat and beautiful. Now we're going up top. As we climb here, if you keep your head up, right in front of you, hemlock, I think, big giant pines. Awesome. So as we climb, there's some grill grates up here. I think we're headed towards the highest spot on the property, but there's a flagpole and a fire pit. And up here there's a picnic table. This is marked as the nature trail and part of the Conservancy. Yeah, there's a nature trail sign. Now beyond this point, it's posted no trespassing there and there. But our trail should go this way. Should be okay down here, but I will look for signs and retreat if I need to. Staring at me for the longest time, and then so she turned around, I shuffled my feet, and yeah, just wanted to get an action shot leaving. It's funny, for years of living around here, I've driven by on Route 772, I think it's Rossville Road, and I've seen this patch of green over here, and I've always wondered if it's somewhere you could hike or anything. And here it's, you know, 14 years I've been living here, and yeah, all of a sudden, you know, 2 weeks ago I found this place. It's just 6 miles from my house, and there's all kinds of trails up here, and this is wonderful. And there's deer and ducks and geese and everything else, and all the birds. This is wonderful. Got a split in the trail here, so I got to consult the map and see what to do here. Yeah, so either there or here, and I'll take the one closer to the water. Down along Lidditz Run again. Should be a bridge down here too to cross it. Alright, so we can cross this, that was a unnamed tributary of Lidditz Run. So we can go here. The trail goes down there, and then there's Route 772. I think you have to road walk to get over Lidditz Run, and then come back on the other side. You can already hear the road noise, right? So there's a neighborhood on this side, a road on that side. So I think I'm not going to go on that little extension. I think it's just going to be noise and such. But here you can come back on this trail or head down to Lidditz Run. So I think we'll do that. This is, oh yeah, so there's literally listed as a campsite up there. So pretty cool that I guess you maybe can camp up there, but you know, you're gonna have noise. That's my only qualm about this place. This place is beautiful. It's just right near a busy road, but you know, it's good to have these green places in suburban, urban areas, right? And love that the North Museum maintains this, because the North Museum itself is down in the city. So to be able to bring kids out here and schools and do you know, field work out here with kids that, you know, maybe don't have access to places like this is awesome. And I'm sure it's quieter than in the city. I'm just used to really being alone in the woods and absolute quiet. So take this trail back here. Much like the other side of the park, a lot of little access points to let it run, little beaches, rocks, a lot of places for frogs and turtles and everything to hide when it's warmer out. All right, so that was a quick one. We just wanted to show you the other part of Millport Conservancy. This is a awesome place, and you know, whenever I need something quick and close to home, going to come back and hike here. But thanks for coming along. Hope you like what I'm doing. Please like, subscribe, ring that bell for notifications, and I'll keep trying to find new places. We'll see you next time.